Hello everyone, welcome in SK Commerce Classes, this YouTube channel. Today we will learn what is the provision of Partnership Act 1932. Dear students, you know, whenever some important points are not taken into consideration at the time of partnership deed or partnership agreement, then the provisions of Partnership Act 1932 will be followed. What are the provisions? Let's discuss in this video. First of all, profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing ratio, it means whenever in the partnership deed there is no any clause about profit sharing ratio, then partner will share the profits and losses in equal ratio. And whenever they decided, then they will share in the decided ratio. Okay, it means whenever partnership deed does not mention any clause about profit sharing ratio, at that time we will follow the provisions of Partnership Act. Okay, then second point is interest on partner's capital. You know very well, at the liability side of balance sheet we record partner's capital, and any liability the business should be pay interest against the liability. Okay, then after once if the partner demand for the interest on their capital, then Partnership Act does not allow to give him interest on their capital. If it is decided and mentioned in partnership deed, only that time they can take interest on their capital, otherwise no. Okay, it means in short, if the partnership deed does not mention any clause about interest on capital, then Partnership Act does not allow to give interest on capital, interest on partner's loan. Whenever any partner provide extra money to the partnership other than his capital, partnership can borrow money from any person, any other persons, any third person. So why not they can take a loan from partner? Okay, and if any partner provide loan to the partnership firm and after one he will demand the interest for his loan, whether no any clause in partnership deed about interest on loan of partner, that partner can take interest on his loan as per provisions of Partnership Act 1932. But the interest on loan, the percentage is fixed. He can take up to 6% interest on his loan. Okay, whether it is not decided in partnership deed, he can take interest on loan. Next point, salary or commission to partner. You know, there are some active partners, he works extra than the other partner, and for his special work he can demand extra commission or remuneration or salary from the partnership firm. If it is not decided in partnership deed, then he cannot take any salary or commission or remuneration. But if it is decided in partnership deed, only when he can take commission or salary, otherwise not. Next point, interest on partner's drawing. If it is decided in partnership deed, only then partnership can charge interest on partner's drawing, otherwise not. Okay. If it is not mentioned in partnership deed, partnership cannot charge interest on partner's drawing. But in our book, there is a point that if date or period is not mentioned for that particular drawing, then it will be charged for 6 months. Okay. Next point, admission of new partner. As per provisions of Partnership Act, no any outsider person admit in a business as a partner without permission of existing partners. Okay. It means if any of the existing partner reject the new partner, then no one can admit in a partnership as a partner. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video.